A very hearty welcome to my channel. So today is 14th November 2025 and today is World Diabetes Day. So diabetes is a kind of silent killer. In the long term, it can lead to various complications which can be divided into both microvascular as well as macrovascular. It can lead to damage to the eye, causing diabetic retinopathy. It can cause damage to the nerve. And the leading cause of death in diabetic patients is cardiovascular mortality. So, firstly, we should know that who are the high-risk patients. So, number one, obesity is one of the important factors which trigger diabetes. So, persons having BMI more than 25 is a high-risk patient. Someone who is having very less physical activity is also a high-risk patient. Persons who are on antihypertensive medications, they can also develop diabetes in the long run. Ladies having PCOS, which is commonly known as the polycystic ovarian syndrome, they can also have diabetes. One of the important physical findings which you can see if a person is developing insulin resistance due to diabetes is like acanthosis nigrans. It is nothing but the hyperpigmentation which you will find just in the dorsum of the neck. So that is a important finding which you will see in a person developing diabetes. So you should definitely report the FBS, PPBS and HbA1c in order to check whether you are normal or pre-diabetic or diabetic. Definitely, for treating diabetes, there are a lot of medications, but in this video, I am basically focusing on all the lifestyle modifications which you can apply so that you can prevent developing diabetes. So one of the important factors which will help you prevent diabetes is consuming less amount of carbohydrates in your diet. I'm not saying you should absolutely avoid that, but you should restrict yourself. You should have a proper balanced diet. You should reduce your bowl of eating rice or wheat or any kind of carbohydrates, sugary juices and all the soft drinks available in the market. Number two is you should definitely have a proper sleep cycle. See, stress nowadays is so much that people are developing insulin resistance and very young guys are also developing diabetes. So this is a very triggering factor. So having a stable, a comfortable life is very important in order to prevent diabetes. Third, a brisk exercise which will help you burn out calories is very important. Brisk exercise every day for 15 to 30 minutes will definitely help you make you fit and will help you burn your calories so that you can prevent diabetes to happen to you. And lastly, but not the least, you should definitely maintain a proper lifestyle. You should avoid smoking, you should avoid alcohol because these are also important agents to cause diabetes. And diabetes is just like a silent killer. It is very, very important for all of you to maintain your health, to stay focused and to make yourselves fit and active. So let's take an oath on this World Diabetes Day that you should follow all these norms. And most importantly, you should always keep yourself hydrated. Try to take your dinner 2 hours earlier before going to bed so that it will help you digest it easily. Okay, so this is all for today. And I will be coming up with many such videos. Till then, stay fit, stay focused. All the best to you guys.